Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to compare the 4G data or speed test results between the Mi11 versus the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can clearly see here friends, I'm using the Mi11 smartphone, so which is the premium end smartphone from the Mi company, and where the Realme X7 Pro is also the premium and latest smartphone. So let's see friends which phone will be having the very good 4G signals and 4G speed test results as well. So right now in my location, in my studio, the 4G signals are really very low, and this will be the very good comparison between the both the phones in terms of the low 4G speed test results. So let's see friends which phone will be able to get the most of the 4G signals and will be giving the higher results as well. So we'll get to know all the details. And just in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description friends for more details about the live wallpapers and all the smartphone videos which will be categorized in the playlist, as you can see here. So try to check the links in description for more details. So let me try to quickly show you the about phone settings, so you know exactly I'm using the Realme X7 Pro and the Mi11. So first let me try to quickly do the speed test results on this Mi11 smartphone. So let me try to open the speed test results. So it is a speed test and it is a 4G connection, as you can see here friends on the top. So it's a normal 4G, not the 4G plus. So as I said, in my studio the 4G signals are really low, so these what the speed results are for the 4G. So right now in the Mi11 I'm getting around 4 Mbps and 5 Mbps, as you can see friends, 5 Mbps it did reach maximum. So at the same time I'll try to transfer the same SIM into the Realme X7 Pro smartphone. So let's see, we can compare the side-by-side results in the real time. So I'll do the test 4G test for 2 times. So let's see friends which phone will be having the better results. So right now the first time has been completed, so let me try to quickly do the second time. And immediately I'll try to change the SIM from Mi11 to the Realme X7 Pro, and we'll be testing the same 2 times speed test in the Realme X7 Pro as well. So in the second time the speed test results were close to 6 Mbps, the highest was reached. And it's maintaining around 4.6, and as you can see 4.66. so the average you can take up to 5 Mbps of the average you are getting in this Mi11. So let's see what the Realme X7 Pro will be getting the signals. So let me try to quickly open the SIM, and let me try to take all the SIMs whatever present in this Realme X7 smartphone. So I need to use only the Mi11's SIM, so same SIM. As you can see friends, right now the 2 times test has been successfully completed, and let me try to take out the SIM right now immediately, and let me try to use it in the Realme X7 Pro's X7 Pro smartphone. So it is a SIM I removed from the Mi11, as you can see. So now I am trying to use the same SIM in the Realme X7 Pro. So same SIM I am trying to use, and let's see what will be the results in the Realme X7 Pro. So let me disable the Wi-Fi connection, so only 4G should be on. So right now I did on the 4G, as you can clearly see here friends, the 4G signal is on, and let me try to start the test right now. And I'll be doing the test for same like 2 times, so I'll be doing the 4G test. As you can see friends, in this Realme X7 Pro the 4G connection went up to 13 Mbps for the first time when you're doing, but it was around same like the Mi11, same 5 Mbps. As you can see, the 4G signals I am trying to use. So let's see what will be the upload speeds right now. The upload speeds I'm not even getting in the Realme X7 Pro. Just now I got 1.7, 1.2. So I'll be trying to do the again second time the testing. So let's see in the second time what will be the results are. Test again. So this will be the really good comparison with the premium end smartphone, so you'll know exactly where the position of the Realme X7 Pro is. So actually the Realme X7 Pro has got a little bit fast momentum in the beginning, but later on it's coming to the same position like the Mi11. So it's staying only around 5 Mbps, 6 Mbps, that's good. So the Realme X7 Pro has got slightly upper hand in terms of the 4G data speed test in the low signal mode area. So that means even if you are in the low signal mode and if you're using the Realme X7 Pro, you'll be getting really good 4G speed test results. So that is what the test conclusion is finally. And the highest score I'll try to compare side by side. So this is the highest score in the Realme X7 Pro, and in this is the highest score in the Mi11, 5.82 and 6 Mbps. So overall the clear winner is a Realme X7 Pro by little points only, but not a significant points. So that's it friends, this is a quick comparison, and for more this kind of comparison, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, and don't forget to check the links in description for this live wallpapers what I'm using in this video. And in case if you're having any other queries regarding the smartphones, make sure to comment below. And if you want me to do any kind of comparison between both the phones, so display, camera, or the loudspeaker, haptic feedback, all those videos, make sure to comment below what type of comparison you want me to do. So I'll definitely do my best, and thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.